Today I have a random assortment of replacement bolts for the body panels around the Duke. One of the jobs I needed to do was to fix up this stupid paddock stand. As you can see, the points are quite uneven as I've been adjusting them bit by bit to get a decent purchase on the frame. And there's not much holding this one in. So of course what we need to do, 275, is we need to loosen these until they're, somewhat a bit more even. $280. No, because nobody likes an uneven stand. I forgot I need to undo the seat. Oh well. Back to the house. The problem with doing helmet cam is you get a bad case of stalker breathing. Alright, so what I want to do is I want one side to have matching bolts and the other side to have a new one. And the new ones are just these with a washer head on them. This is not going to be a perfect match, but it will get us through. Because as it stands, there's not much actually holding the panels on this bike together. And at least this way, whilst it might not be perfect, should get me through. Alright. Well, it mightn't be pretty. It is secure. And it means that I don't have to worry so much about things falling off. So we are missing some up the back here. There we go. Pop that back in. That's looking better. Now, provided these threads are the same at the back, they should just go in. Success. It has been tightened. And there's one more up here. We'll give that a crack too. Oh dear. This is exceptionally hard to do with a helmet in the way. Alright, look, I just can't do this with a helmet on. Done. So, unbelievably enough, I've been riding this bike around with only one screw holding the panel on, or two technically. There's ones up the back. But now there's three on the other side, 1, 2, 3 on this side, and of course an extra 1 and 2 here that we're missing. So all in all, it wasn't a difficult job, and one that I probably should have taken care of sooner, but it's now not as rattly as it was, and I call that a success.